Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Equinox key fob here. It works for these models here, 18 and 21. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this, 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn the key over like this to the side, and right on this side, right here, you will find this small button. Now when you find this small button, press it, and this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out, this key. And now when you hold the key, and when you hold the fob just like this with the buttons facing down right on this side, you see this small hole. Now with the tip of the mechanical key, take it and insert the tip right in this hole like this, only the tip, and just twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob like this into two pieces. This is the whole idea right here. Now when you separate the fob into two pieces like this, right on this side here you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, take the mechanical key or the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip here or here, it doesn't really matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place you can insert your new battery like this. And very important here, make sure this side of the battery is the negative side right here. This here is the negative side facing up, so this step here is very important when you place the battery over here. Now when you insert the battery, take these two pieces again, make sure these all corners are aligned perfectly, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together. Now when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.